Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator inside the Canva app. In the previous videos we went through animation apps, we went through Dalio, we went through Magic Studio. You want to make sure you watch these videos guys so you understand how to use these apps, what kind of results we got. In this example over here guys, I'm gonna go through Imagen. So this is essentially based on AI software coming from Google. Very interesting. I have huge hopes about this. I read good things about it, so let's jump in. The first thing that you want to choose is, are you going to create something from scratch like we are planning to do, or you have existing project in Canva app that you can import and start working on it. In our case, we're going to choose a brand new project and we're going to create, I would say something nice photo wallpaper. This sounds cool. Okay, so as you can see over here, turn your text into photorealistic AI, a beautiful oil painting of Bergen. You see what are the results. So let's dive into the prompt itself. Create a painting of Monte Carlo during the winter. Let's see what we're going to get, guys. So Google Imagen will simply give you only two variations. Dalio will give you two variations. The Magic Studio will give you 4 variations. So the result content does not meet our policy. What is the policy? I don't know. Oil painting of Monaco. Another try. We didn't use any brand, right guys? We just used the name of the city, Monte Carlo. They thought we're probably talking about the casino Monte Carlo. Okay guys, we do have some results over here. Wow, look at this one. Let me type for you. So you can always make these pictures larger by simply dragging the corners. I don't like the ratio of the template, right? We have to move it on the side so you'll be able to see, but I think it's so pretty, guys. It's so beautiful. Do you see all the details of Monte Carlo? It's beautiful. All the marina and everything. Just think about now if you have like some of these crazy printers that can print like the actual materials, right? They can print with particular like a pronounced design that it could be like you can touch the whole difference in the buildings, right? It's amazing. This is how you can use Imagen from Google, guys. I think this is my second favorite. The first one still remains to be Magic Studio from Canva AI. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI image generator inside the Canva apps. You want to come over here and you want to select the AI powered apps. So everything that is essentially related to AI and will help you to create something crazy, okay? So I made plenty of videos on Magic Media and their avatars here you can utilize as well. But today I'm going to show you this anime style. Okay, anime style simply, creates this otaku type expert of like a character. It's very cool. So for example, if you want to use a new design and you want to create a logo, right? You want to create a very particular logo. So in this example over here, as you can see, you can create something like this, which is very cool, right? So you come over here and describe the anime that you want to create. In our case, it will be a polar bear wearing hoodie and jeans and walking in New York City. Boom. Let's see how good is it. We tried to create something similar in Dalio, didn't work well. Dalio is not so good for real and very I would say images that has to do away from the comics and has to do away from the creativity. Not so creative. So in this example over here, we got what We got someone, okay, this is the anime, walking in the city of New York Cities. Okay, the cities look cool. Anime, it's not so cool, but I think we can actually adjust the anime, right, by simply coming over here. As you can see, you can swipe through different apps. What I think, guys, is that we can actually recreate this by simply add more animation, because essentially we're looking for something that is very attached to people who love this anime character. They're watching this anime like movies, series, so you want to make sure that these people are interacting, because like I said, if you are into something like this, now look the additional image that we created, right? So if you add more animation, you can have images like this. And the crazy part is that, you know, every single character will be different. So you can create like a comics book with like multiple different characters. And this is with single prompt. The main issue I see so far is that they are very like similar, I would say. At least the faces and the shapes. If that's not concern you, right, you can utilize the app. So far I said Magic Studio is my favorite app. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALI image generator inside the Canva app. It's a little different. We did couple of videos prior, we made couple of examples and case studies. If you're curious, you can see our results. We create a brand image, we create couple of prototypes for products, so you can check out these videos as well. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to create something different. So the first thing, you want to come over here at canva.com and you want to click on apps. Then you want to go over and find DALI. So how you're going to go over here about simply choosing creating something from scratch, like we're going to do over here, or using an existing design. If you already had certain projects in Canva, you can simply import them here. Let's click on use a completely new design. And in this example over here, guys, we are going to create Instagram story, and this Instagram story will be different simply because we're going to utilize something that no one expects to see. Remember, Instagram stories are usually something that you have experienced or something that you saw on the street somewhere. It's extraordinary, it's right here right now happening. Okay, so we're going to set a command, create a story image where person walks in the jungle and sees a giant monkey. Make it look like it's a selfie taken image. Pretty complicated script, pretty complicated prompt. Let's see what are the results. The main difference is that DALI will only give you 2 variations of the actual creation, while if you use a Magic Studio here on Canva, you're going to get 4. And I think this is hilarious. Okay, so I think people will be clicking on the second one most likely. It's not perfect, it's not amazing. I honestly like more Magic Studio AI. I have made plenty of videos on it. You can guys check it out and see what we actually get out of it. That it's okay, it's not perfect. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALI inside the Canva AI image generator. Okay, very easy guys, very simple. In this particular example we are going to create a brand new design, and for this particular case we're going to create an Instagram post. We're going to use these default settings for the square post that Canva created in advance, And then we're going to come over here and see what are the examples recommended from Dalio itself when we're actually crafting our prompt. In the previous video, I showed you how you can create a prototype for potential future product. We did get a good results, not amazing ones, but now we might be able to get you something even cooler. So first thing we are going to request is to create anime character for promoting headphones in the I would say at the Times Square, New York City. Let's see what we're going to have, because a lot of the people will be using some of these creatives to run ads, right? You can create a creative around your brand. Let's say, for example, you're drop shipping particular item, or you have white label item for selling, right? You want to make sure that you run ads that are wicked, that somebody will click on them. And as you can see over here, I think both look like cool in some way. So definitely people will be clicking on both of them. So if you click on the second one, and if I actually make it larger, you would see how cool it is, right? I'm just gonna snap the logo underneath, and people will buy like thousands of pairs of the headphones, which is so cool. Of course, the headphones should look like the ones that she's wearing. But as you saw, in just couple of seconds, just couple of prompts, we created this amazing creative. This is something that will grab attention, engage with people. People will click on it, and hopefully people will click on the link for your product. This is how simple it is to use Dalio, guys, to generate Instagram posts. For more videos like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Dalio inside the Canva app. Very easy, very simple. The first step, of course, will be to log in into your Canva account, and then you have to go to Discover Apps section. When you come over here, guys, you want to click on the filter on the top over here, and you want to filter all the apps with the AI powered. So this will help you to see all the current apps that are using AI and they're producing content based on the AI. So in this example, I'm going to use Dalio. We made probably 15 different videos yesterday on Magic Studio from AI image generator from Canva. So guys, you want to make sure that you check these videos as well. Let's jump into Dalio. Let's click on it. The way how Dalio works inside Canva is that you will have the option to edit already pre-made content, picture, video, or you essentially can create a brand new design over here. For this example, I am going to click new design. So guys, we're going to create a logo with Dalio. Okay, so if you didn't use Dalio prior, Dalio is a little different if you if you use the other AI tools, because Dalio over here doesn't have any additional filters. So everything what you type in the prompt will be what you're going to get. With Magic Studio, we had an option where you choose the style. Is it going to be animation? Is it going to be vintage look like? So it's like a different styles, different designs. Also, you have an option to change the aspect ratio with Magic Studio. Here, it's pretty random, but the results sometimes are amazing. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create something cool. So we're gonna ask Dalio to create an electric scooter, okay, based on Tesla's car design. Okay, and also we are going to see, make it as realistic as possible for product prototype. Boom, let's generate and let's see what results we're going to get. With DALI, we're going to get only 2 variations of the prompt in terms of content. With Magic Studio, you're going to get 4 each time. Also, the credits that you're going to get with DALI are much less versus the credits you're going to get with Magic Media. So now, as you can see over here, we can still change the results by simply adding more inside our prompt as a text, but we can click on the image itself and we can essentially drag the edges so we can make it larger from one side to the other. The good thing that is, because it's generated from AI, it is not going to reduce the quality of the actual image. It's not like the usual JPEGs. Okay, so now if I zoom out, guys, you will see that yeah, it is not perfect, it is not amazing. I would say it looks futuristic, but definitely not what I was expecting. I think probably if we did a little more description, and probably if we had a little more context towards the prototype, probably we could have a better results. But essentially, guys, this is how you are going to use the whole DALI with Canva, and this is how you can utilize the prompts. Learn from my mistakes and make even better content, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator on Canva. Very easy, guys, very simple. The first thing I want to do is come over here at the canva.com. You want to stay on the home page, and when you're over here you want to click on the upper left side of the screen where you see the 3 straight lines. This will launch additional menu, and then you're going to click on the apps. Then you want to click on discover apps. So you want to make sure you browse all the apps over here. So the first thing that we're going to focus is we're going to actually look for the Canva's own proprietary technology app, which will be Magic Media. So in this example, we are going to utilize Magic Media. This is the first icon over here. In this example, we are going to use the AI image generator of Canva's AI. We are going to create a brand new design. And as you can see over here, you have like a pre-made templates for anything that you want to create. So for example, if you want to create a story, if you want to create a logo, if you want to create an email newsletter, presentation, anything is here, guys. So for example, if you want to create Instagram post, you have the square option over here. In our example, we're going to create a logo. And the way how this actually works is that when you come over here, you have to type a particular prompt. When you type the prompt, you also have to choose underneath the style of the prompt. So in our example, we are going to create New York City in the space with flying cars and what else, and like connecting roads in the space to other planets. Okay guys, so we pick this one and we're going to select our style. You can just pick something else, right? You don't have to be some of these styles, but you can collect all of these styles. These styles will change the way how the image actually looks like after it's generated. I don't like any of it. You can also have the option see all, so you can pick more styles, but I want to see how the city will look like without the actual filter on top. So as you can see now, the AI generates the image based on our prompt. Uh, Usually works pretty fast. As you can see now, we're having the first image already generated, and it looks very very cool. The second one, oh look at, yeah, I think this is very very nice. So if you click on the image itself, you will see the best thing about AI is that even if you adjust the size of it, right, it's still going to look very very cool. It's not gonna reduce the quality as the usual JPEG that you will have. I want you to remember this. Now if you click on the upper side, you can essentially copy, you can paste elements on top of it like a usual Canva project. Remember, this is something that will will find its shape and its form, right? So this is how you change the current aspect ratio, and then you can essentially go back, or you can create another file over here and create a mockup for let's say a collage, right? Let's go back and let's see how the other images actually look, because the main idea was that when you actually utilize Canva Magic media, right, this is just one tool. Remember, it is very important for you to know exactly what you want to create and to input as many details as possible. The more details you input inside the prompt, the better the output and the results will be. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.
Canva AI Image Generator 2024 Full Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Canva's new AI Image Generator, how we're going to use it, and how we can integrate it into new recurring different designs, okay? So, to start things off, what we're going to be doing is first of all, we're going to come over to canva.com. So I'm going to be showing you how you can, generate images using AI and then how you can implement it into actual designs. Okay. So to start things off, what we are going to do is we're going to come over here to apps. Now, once you go to apps, from here, what's going to happen is you're going to come down here and you're going to click on AI powered. Now, once you click on AI powered, you get tons and tons of generators. You get Dolly, you get Imagine, and all of these different types of things. Now, the best ones are Magic Media and Dolly, so it depends on whichever you want to use. I would suggest going with the Magic Media because obviously that's Canva's very own Magic AI generator, but I'm also going to use Dolly just to give you an idea on how both of these work, okay? So to start things off, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up, okay? And I'm going to open this up in a new design. I'm going to open up a new design and let's give it some Instagram post radius. So once we do that, I'm going to come to Magic Media as well, just to, get a basic idea on a new design. So again, I'm going to come here, Instagram post. So here we have two Magic AI image generators, Dolly and, Magic Media. So they both work very, similarly. All you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put in a prompt. Now, when it comes to Magic Media, you can use images and you can create videos. It uses Runway to create videos. It's experimental right now, and you have 5 credits, okay? Even in this, you have 50 credits. So basically, after using these 50 credits on photos and 5 credits on videos, you're going to have to, buy Canva Pro. Without that, you won't be able to use it. Dolly, on the other hand, only gives you 3 credits. After that, you have to buy Canva Pro, and that is how you're going to be using Dolly. So I'm going to be using these credits for you guys today and, showing you the full capability of the stuff. So first of all, you have styles and aspect ratio. Which aspect ratio do you want this in? I'm going to keep it in square so it fits well. And then we have styles. So you have photography styles, you have digital art styles, and then you have fine art styles. So let's first of all go with this. I'm going to go with some vibrant styling. And from vibrant styling, it says describe the image that you want and we will generate it for you. You can also, by the way, try an example where it tells you this stuff. The dim lit room with people eating at a table, 18th century. But I'm going to, take that off and I'm going to write my own prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 people standing on a hill, camera hand at their backs. And obviously, we're 5 people standing on a hill, camera panned at their backs. And obviously, we're going to go ahead and add landscape, retro, sunny, city life in front of them, Cadillac beside them. Okay. So that's a very hefty, prompt. So let's go ahead and generate that. Let's see what it gives us. And, you know, let's see where it takes us from. So we're just going to wait for it to generate and I'm going to bring it back to you. So as you can see on the left-hand side, now you have your prompts generated. So you have 4 prompts, this, and this. Now you can see the vibrant vibe from it. It looks pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna bring this one over here just to see how it looks. And look at that. And now if we increase its size, that's the best part about creating an image through AI. You never lose its quality as like even if you make it big. So look at that. City in the bag, it seems retro, gives a very vibrant vibe. Now obviously the faces of the people aren't the greatest. Now the reason for that is because AI doesn't really capture a real life person's face very well. But yeah, you get the main vibe of it and you get 4 variants of it. Plus, you can also change its style from the style section. So let's say I want it to be neon and I'm going to click on generate it again. So let's say you're trying to make a collage, okay? So just going to keep it like this and I'm just going to increase its size a bit. There we go. So now you can pretty easily create a collage with the other pictures as well. So look at that. It started creating these retro images. So I'm going to add this one over here and look at how cool that looks. Like this is the type of stuff that Canva is good at creating. So I'm just going to match it over here and look at that. So now we have a very retro and cool vibe going on. Then let's go with some concept art. And while we're at this, let's also go ahead and discuss Dolly, okay? So in Dolly, you do the same thing, but in this, there's no style. You're just gonna enter your prompt and they're gonna give it to you. So, let's go ahead and write retro image of, so I'm gonna write retro image of a metal band performing at Woodstock. Woodstock is this performance venue. So I'm just going to go ahead and generate this. All that is being generated. Look at that. So now it's created a concept art and that looks really nice. It looks really cool. I'm just going to add it to my design, make it smaller. There we go. And obviously you're just going to wait for the quality to settle in. It takes a few seconds to load in. And there we go. Now the quality settled in. And finally, what we're going to do is let's change it to Filmic as well. Let's say I want a Filmic font. And while that is going on, look at this. DALL-E has created this for us. Now, DALL-E basically gives you the most realistic pictures, in my opinion. Like after Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, obviously, Dolly will give you very realistic pictures. So look at this. It actually looks like a band poster. Again, the faces, don't go on them because, it's AI. AI is not the greatest at faces, but you get the retro vibe. And this is actually Woodstock. Woodstock stage did look like this. It's a metal band performing and, pretty cool stuff. And finally, we're over here. We get the filmic vibe. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to add it right here, make it smaller. There we go. And yeah, there we are. So you can see we made this 4 picture collage through AI. We made it through Magic AI. We made it through the magic pictures that we just used. And I'm simply going to go ahead and download this. And then you have this as well. And you're going to see that the image quality of these is absolutely out of this world. So yeah, that is how you're going to be using the image AI in Canva. So I hope that was, fun to watch for you. If it was, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye. Ultimate Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video in the easiest way. So for this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on Create a Design. And once you click on create a design, what you're going to do from here is you are going to go and search up video. So once you search up video, what you're going to want to do from here is just go on any recurring design. So let's say we're going to come on this video design over here. Now, this should be a good 1920 by 1080 design for a talking video. So to actually get an AI talking avatar, you're going to want to go to a website like D-ID. Okay, d-id.com is one of the greatest websites where you can go ahead and create a graphical user interface, and you can actually create a talking AI, as you can see. So you're going to sign up with your d-id section over here. Okay, get your talking avatar. Now, once you get your talking avatar, you're gonna upload it over here. So let's say this is your video for talking avatar, right? Now to do text to video, okay? To do actual text to video on this, what you're gonna do is you are gonna be using the actual video features that Canva brings you. Okay, you're gonna get a lot of AI tools. So you're gonna use the Canva AI tools, and for that, you are gonna want to use this magic switch. Okay, and in this magic switch, you're going to get Canva Pro. So once you get Canva Pro, you're going to do translate. And what that will do is it will obviously give you textings due to all the language that you're going to get. So get your avatar from D-ID, get your text AI from your Canva, and you're good to go. So that's how you're going to make Canva AI text to video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Canva AI image generator. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly generating things for you from Canva AI. So to do Canva AI image generation, you're going to come to canva.com/AI-image-generator. And here you're also going to want to make sure that you have Canva Pro. Okay. So once you have Canva Pro, it says Magic Media. You're going to click on use an existing design. Okay. You're going to go to any project of yours, or you can obviously use it in a new design as well. So I'm going to go with custom size, or you can, use any recurring size that you have. Let's say I'm going to go with Instagram story. Now over here, we're going to wait for things to load in. And once things load in for us, what we are going to want to do from here is we're going to add, actual prompts in it. So let's say I'm going to write toy car driving an actual car, pretty random prompt. But we're going to, click on enter, and it's going to load us our prompts in really quickly. So you're just going to want to go ahead and add those prompts for yourself. So let's wait for it to load in. And obviously it's going to take a few seconds, but there you go. So now it's loaded, and look at the quality of these images. So, it's going to create qualities like these, and these looks pretty nice. So that's how you're going to use this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to use Canva Magic Studio. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Canva Magic Studio in the easiest way. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your canva.com, okay? And we're going to be coming into our design and spotlight. So once you go into your design and spotlight, basically over here, you're going to find your Canva Magic Studio in the right hand side over here. Here it says all the power of AI all in one place. Magic Studio brings together the best AI powered tools for you and your team. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to try Magic Design by just adding some prompts, okay? So basically to get Magic, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to have Canva Pro, because without Canva Pro, you will not be able to use this. And, text to video, text to image, all is going to need Canva Pro. But I will tell you how to use it though. So basically any item that you want, you're simply, let's say you want to add a magic switch to this, it will transform your content from one genre to another. It can translate any language from one format to another. You can reformat your whole video if you want. Then you have text to video, where you're going to write any text prompt and it's going to make a video out of it. You have text to image, where you're going to write any text and it's going to create an image out of it. You can effortlessly edit your photos, effortlessly edit your images. Magic grab, where you can basically just grab a picture or an element off of an original photo. You can professionally edit someone's clothes, background remover, magic eraser. That's all the components of Magic Studio. And yeah, just get Canva Pro and start using away. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the new Magic Media from AI Canva. This is an image generator which simply works with inputting a prompt And by judging by the prompt, it generates an image which could be replicated, could be adjusted, and essentially could be used in a very similar way. So the first thing you wanna highlight over here is that you wanna come over to canva.com, okay, and you wanna come to the section Discover Apps. When you come to Discover Apps, you will have an option to choose between all the different apps that are available. As you can see over here, there are a bunch of apps. A lot of them are trending right now, but we want to focus on the ones that are, the most popular, the ones that are proven, that are very good. So if we want to go to the proprietary app from Canva, will be Magic Media. Magic Media works, I would say, easily. The main thing is that you wanna come over here, you wanna come on projects, and you wanna utilize something new. So you have an option to create a new design, or you can use from your existing designs. When you come over here from creating a new design, you can go over between all the usual ratios between square photo or square content for Instagram post to logo, presentation, infographic, collage. In this example, guys, we are going to focus on, let's create an Instagram post using the AI. So when you come over here on Magic Media, you have options, first of all, images or videos, right? So if you are part of the beta, you could generate an AI video simply by typing a prompt. If you're just a regular user with the free version, you can only create an image using the AI. Very important is that when you come down over here, you can change the aspect ratio. So as you can see, we can change it from portrait to landscape to square. And also you have a bunch of styles over here. So if I pick the animation style and go back up here and type, let's say create a Street Fighter game type of image between Rocky and I don't know, Rambo. And then, like I said, the more details you guys include, the better it will look like. In the let's say where, in the Amazon jungle. This will be a hard task. So guys, you're going to get 4 different options of images that are generated from AI, and then if you don't like it, you can simply adjust the images. As you can see over here, we have something very, very cool. It's absolutely amazing, right? You can tell who is Rambo, right? Because it has the red bandage over here, and you have Rocky on the other side. Remember, guys, we use the animation. So if you don't like it, you can simply click the next, and then you can click generate again. For example, I can click filmic and generate again. I can click watercolor and generate again. This is how simple it is. But essentially, this is how you're going to use it, and this is how Canva AI actually works. Again, if you click on the 3 dots on the upper right, you will have the option essentially to remove the app or to gather more details. If you like it the way it is, right, as you can see, we have a menu underneath where you can essentially add more elements like a usual Canva edit post. It's very intuitive, guys. You don't have to spend so much time. Also, if you want to add something, the prompt window is still underneath, so you can actually add more details and click generate again, and this will change the image even more. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Magic AI from Canva. In this example over here, guys, we're going to use the AI image generator to create a t-shirt design. Okay, it will be very easy, it will be very simple, anyone can do it. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and log into your Canva account, and then go on the upper left side of the screen on the actual menu and go on Discover Apps. When you're over here at apps, you will have a bunch of trending apps right now, and you will have a filter between what kind of apps functionality you're looking for. But we're going to go ahead and click on the search bar, and we're gonna type Magic Media. Magic Media proprietary technology, works very fast and it's very efficient. This is the app we're looking for. We're gonna click on it, and then we're going to scroll down and click on Use New Design. Look, if you currently have certain designs for merchandise that you already have in place, you probably can utilize some of them and use the AI to change these designs. There is an option if you click Use in Existing Design. We're going to create something from scratch, so let's click Use New Design. Then you want to scroll down to the section that is called T-shirt design. As you can see over here, we have a T-shirt design. There is a special dimensions that are in the T-shirt itself. And the way how the Magic Media works is that you will have to input a prompt over here. You can include objects, colors, places. The more details you include, the better results the Canva AI will actually give you, because it will have a more starting points and it will add more details. Underneath you will find the styles in which the way you want the image to appear, so you can essentially have more realistic versus more caricature or cartoon or animation vibe. You can also have something like a painting over here. In our example, we said we're going to create a t-shirt. Create a t-shirt design with Ferrari 458 in the Amazon jungle, racing with Lamborghini, and a lot of animals are watching the race. So, as you probably suggest, it will be hard. Ferrari Lamborghini may result in content that doesn't meet our policies. Okay, so replace Ferrari. So one sport car racing with another sport car. This is how a little fine tuning always helps, but still gonna be crazy. Just imagine two sports car racing in the jungle. The way how the Magic Media works, guys, is it will generate 4 different AI images, which are unbelievable. As you can see, absolutely wow. Man, just look at this. Just look at this beauty. Again, guys, this is unknown sport car. Okay, this is unknown sports car, and we just got a design for some like crazy AI sports car with some like tigers in, I don't know what is it, like cheetah or leopards on the back. It's crazy. It's such a good quality, right? This is what I meant by you need to have your imagination. This is why Canva realized that when we use like the brands Ferrari and Lamborghini, they cannot print it, right? Because it's a brand stuff. It's a corporate probably. So that's why we replace the brands with some sport car, and this is amazing. If a shot like this I see, right, I most likely will buy if I'm car enthusiast. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI image generator from Canva for free, and how you can generate prompts and create amazing stuff online. First thing I want you to do is to come over here on canva.com, go on the apps, and then go on the search bar in the apps itself. In this example, guys, we're going to use the Magic Studio from Canva, and Magic Studio works very well. This is Magic Media Studio. We want to select this one, and here guys we're going to scroll down and choose how we're going to use the app. There's two options: either we're gonna create a brand new project, or we're going to use an existing project. You have something that you already worked on, some design for some merchandise, some logo for your website, or whatever. You can use it by simply clicking use in existing design. The second thing I'm going to choose will be the original brand new logo, brand new design, brand new project. So in this example guys, I'm going to show you how you can create, let's see something very nice. Let's create a phone wallpaper. Okay, when you click a phone wallpaper or a particular set of projects, you will get the default aspect ratio. But if you want to change your aspect ratio, all you gotta do is to scroll down, and here you can simply change it by portrait, landscape, or square. So in our example, we're gonna have a phone landscape, so we're gonna choose the portrait mode. Way above you will see the different styles, the way how the prompt will perform and in what style the prompt will essentially generate your content. You can make it more filmic, more like cinematic, more like a painting, like a photo, like a dreamy crazy stuff, or some animation. So it's all up on you. There are also more styles. If you click see all, you will see more styles. In our example, we might actually utilize the photo look like option. So what do you want to see when you actually launch your phone? This is your phone wallpaper. So in our example, we're going to create a Central Park vibe in the island. Okay, Central Park vibe in the island, Aruba. Okay, with jet ski and sailing around. Remember, we want to have something calm down, something green, something very fresh. The way how the Magic Media Studio works, it will generate 4 different variations of the image, and you can choose which one you like, which one you don't like, and then if you think that something is missing, you can add information to your prompt. So the way how this actually works is that if I scroll down, if I scroll down, you will see that you can actually click here and change. You can change the part of the prompt. So for example, if I don't like the Aruba stuff, right, I can go back and I can come over and just say, create a Central Park vibe in the city of, let's say, Vegas, and generate again. And now guys, we are going to have I believe 4 different variations without any issues, because they're pretty strict using names or brands. So look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Just look at this. Remember, we can make this larger by simply adjusting the edges and dragging the edges to the sides, and this will not reduce the quality. Okay guys, this will simply keep the quality as is. So now we have the Central Park vibe, we have the fountain that is down on the lower side of the park, and then we have all these cool buildings around Vegas, right? Palazzo. Nice. This is what I meant, guys. You need to use your imagination, and you need to put as many details as possible, so you're gonna get the best results. But this is how you can create your remember, this is gonna be your wallpaper every day, which is very cool. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the AI image generation apps on the Canva app. Very easy guys, very simple. In our example over here, we're going to use Magic Studio from Canva. Very easy, very simple. All you gotta do is to log in into your Canva account and then click on the upper left side of the screen. Click on the three straight lines, launch the menu, and then click on Discover Apps. This is where we are right now. When you're over here on Discover Apps, you want to click on the search bar and you want to click on Magic Media. Okay, you want to select the first app over here, and then you want to scroll down and choose what type of project you want to work on. You can work on the brand new project or you can work on the existing one. In our example today, I'm going to show you how to create something from scratch. You're gonna be having this regular default section where you're gonna choose the dimensions and the aspect ratio of the content you wanna create. This is very similar, if not the same, of any other Canva project when you start from scratch. So I assume you guys are already familiar with this. So if you scroll through the type of content we can create, there are many things that you should be aware of, okay? Every single piece of content, some of it might be a video, others could be a picture, right? The video is part of the beta version, which you can only access if you have the Canva Pro. So I think in this example, we're going to use the animated social media. So in this example over here, this is how the app works. You have to input your prompt in the box, and then you need to choose, if you want to, of course, a style in which the image will appear. Might be more cinematic, might be like a painting, like a photography, like a, comic books, or something like a space looking image. Also, the aspect ratio is not always accurate. Like for example, we have the square image for like Instagram post, which is okay, but sometimes you need to adjust the aspect ratio. In the other videos, we created a wallpaper and the default aspect ratio was again square. So you want to make sure that you always come down here and check the aspect ratio before you proceed. So we said in our example, we're going to create animation character or animation post for Instagram, social media, for example. So we're going to ask, and we're going to input the prompt, create a super hero that lives in New York City, and his super power comes from I don't know, comes from what? Comes from the wind, and he lives at Empire State Building. Let's see. We might have some issues when we use like a famous names or like a brand. Sometimes the AI doesn't want to create something if you use like a brands like Porsche or Lamborghini. Okay, we do have two creations already. It looks like a Spider-Man with the Batman suit. I think the third one is very cool. The second one looks like a real comic hero. Let's see this one. This is like a real comics. So guys, remember, you can pull the corners of the image so you can adjust the size, and remember the quality will remain the same. Okay, I think this is very cool. I'm gonna be honest with you. Looks like a Robin in the Batman suit with the colors of a Spider-Man. Absolutely amazing. And I like the city comic. It's very good. It's like a cartoon city in behind Empire State Building, right? I love it. I think it's very, very nice, guys. This is how you can create your own comics without any second thought. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator from Canva apps. It's very easy, very simple to use, and it is free, guys. This is the best thing that you want to pay attention to. So when you log into your Canva, you want to come over here at Discover Apps. You want to click on the search bar, and in this particular video, we're going to use Magic Media app. This is the one that I believe it's easier for beginners, and it helps you build anything that is related to the AI image generation. So when you come over here, guys, you gotta pick your roadmap. Are you gonna recreate something that you already have that exists, or are you gonna create something out of scratch? In my case, I'm going to create something completely new, and I'm going to create for you guys a animated logo. Okay, the way how the Magic Media works is that you need to create a prompt, and it will generate text to actual image. Before we get into it, I want you to choose your style and the way how the logo you want to look like. Do you want to be animation? Do you want to be dreamy? Do you want to be like a photo look like, more strict? Or you want to be more like a vintagey and like more on the film side? Also, you want to adjust the aspect ratio, square, landscape, and portrait from the lower of the settings. The default settings are not the best option. Now, let's try to generate our logo. Create a logo for a company that offers AI marketing services with advanced skills in the United States. Okay, let's see. The way how the Magic Media works, guys, is it will generate 4 separate different images, and essentially you can pick one of it, or you can change the logo by going back to the prompt and adding more or removing parts of it. So what we see over here, we have something not so understandable. I'd say it's very weird. I think the lower one looks cool. I think this one looks actually cool. You can pull the corners of the image so you can make it larger, right? So now you can actually see the design. It definitely looks like I don't know, like a button or like a settings wheel, between settings wheel and gear icon or a clock. It looks cool. But like I said, if we are not happy with the results, you can simply go back, right? And you can add to the current prompt. Essentially, this will mean that we are going to adjust the actual framing. So in our case, create an AI logo for marketing agency named AI AI Club. Now we're gonna include the actual name of the agency, so things will be, I hope, a little clearer, right? Remember, we also choose a styles, and the styles were not so clear. So if you zoom in on this particular one, it created 9 different logos, right? So now we can essentially zoom in and look at them. I think they look pretty decent. They look like really from the future, especially the lower one over here. Especially the lower one looks very, very cool. Looks like a fish, or this one over here. So essentially, guys, this is how you can create a AI logo using Canva AI image generator for free. And you can play around with additional prompts, additional features, and essentially you can change the style every single time. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you step by step how you can use the Magic Media AI generator from Canva. It is very simple, very useful, and it is free to use. So the first thing, when you come over here, guys, on the Magic Media at Canva apps, you want to come and you want to choose your destination or your main object of work. Is it going to be an existing design or you're going to create something from scratch? I always like to create something new because this will give us originality and we're going to see something that we haven't seen so far, right? So you want to come over here, guys, and you want to click on create a new design. Okay, when you click on create a new design, you will have an option to choose different type of content that is already framed. You have the right content, you have the right aspect ratio, you have the right pixels as well. So let's say in our example we are going to create a phone wallpaper, a desktop wallpaper, a book cover. I think this is cool. So how the app actually operates is you have to input a text prompt over here and then it will generate an image based on the text prompt. Right before we get into the prompt, I want you to choose your style. So you have a very conservative styles, more creative styles, and you have animation styles. So in our case, we're going to create a book cover. I think animation gives us the best results, and also we're making the aspect ratio into a portrait mode. Like I said, default settings are not the best choice. Everything has to be adjusted for every single project. So in our example, the prompt that I'm going to input will be create a book cover about a real estate agent in New York City that is very successful and has a lavish lifestyle. Has a lavish lifestyle. Generate. The way we actually choose to be animation is very important because if we choose to be a regular strict, it might pop out as just average stock footage, which you don't like random people, doing something. This is what I meant by having an amazing way to contribute to the content. As you can see, the Magic Media will generate 4 different images that will match your description. So if you look over here, we have a lot of interesting objects, right? So this definitely looks like Ryan Serhat. I don't know why, if you know who Ryan Serhat is, but it looks like a real estate agent. The houses doesn't vibe with the New York vibe, but he might be working in upstate New York. So I think it's very, very cool and definitely surpass our expectations, guys. I think it's usable. You probably just want to add some text underneath, right? So it will be like the title of the book. But aside from that, it's very good, high quality, and it's definitely will get attention of the people who are into comic books or watching animations. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI image generator to create any type of content for free and it will work amazing. Okay, so how we're gonna go about it? First thing, you wanna come on canva.com, you wanna log in to your account, then you wanna click on the upper left corner, click on the settings and then click on discover apps. This is the landing page of discover apps. And now we're gonna come over here on the search bar and we're gonna type Magic Media. Okay, this is the app we're going to use because it's simple, it's clear, and it works very, very well. So when you come over here, you have 2 options to begin with. The first option is to create a brand new design out of nowhere from scratch, or you can use an existing design that you created in Canva, or you can upload something from your device. For this example, we're going to create a brand new design. In our case over here, we can actually create a, let's say, Instagram story. As you can see, every single individual content comes with its own aspect ratio and quality dimensions. if you click on Instagram story, right, you will have over here aspect ratio of a square image. But remember, for Instagram posts, square image is preferred, it's recommended. But for Instagram story, we might want to go for portrait. This is how you change the aspect ratio and you check the aspect ratio, because the default settings are not always accurate on the app itself. The second thing you want to do before you inputting your prompt is to check the styles and to pick the right style for your image, for your design. We're going to create the Instagram story. I'm gonna opt in for the photo style, which is kind of additional layer on top of the original content. So for the prompt, you want to make sure you provide as many details as possible, so this will make your content even better. In my example, I'm going to create a vacation image from trip to Paradise Island with cocktails, drinking, selfie on the beach. I choose this prompt simply because it's a Instagram story. So on the story, you share where you are, where you were, what you're doing, how did you enjoy it, right? So this is why I was thinking, okay, I'm on vacation, I'm drinking cocktails, I'm, chilling. And this is why you essentially can get this type of image. Down over here, and you can simply click on the actual animation and click generate again. Now with this particular tool, things might look a little more cool, because the other one looked like a stock image, so I didn't like it quite much. On the previous case studies we did with Magic Media, it worked amazing. So now we're talking over here, guys. Look at this. You can drag the edges so you can make the image larger, right? It's amazing. Now we're talking. This is like a comics character, guys. It's so cool, right? You got the cocktails, you got vacation, you got the couple, you got the like an island or like a pool, like a beach chair. This is what I meant by saying creating a content out of scratch with particular theme or topic. And if you post this on your Instagram story, I guarantee you will get a lot of interactions, a lot of engagement. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this Magic Media AI image generator tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the app step by step, how to generate prompts, how to get the most of the features, and what mistakes usually people do. First thing, you want to come over here, log into canva.com, and you want to come over Canva apps. Then on the search bar, you want to find Magic Media, and this is where you're going to have your beginning of the page, okay? This is where things are getting a little more interesting. So first thing first, use existing design versus use a new design. Meaning you're either gonna work on something that you already created using Canva, or you're gonna start from scratch. I am going to start from scratch by simply clicking use new design. Very important is that every time when you create a brand new design at Canva, you are going to select the particular time frame. So you're going to select the pixels, you're going to select aspect ratio, you're going to select what is the main purpose of your design. As you can see over here, we have a bunch of options. In our case over here, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create essentially a brochure, right? So this will be for your business. The way how the Magic Media works is that you come over here on the prompt section, you create a prompt. In our example, create a brochure for our new store that sells, I don't know what, sells books in Manhattan, New York City, located by the Empire State Building. Okay, scroll down and pick the style of the brochure. It could be conservative, it could be straightforward, it could be like a painting, like a photo, or it could be like animation, which is the last option. And I'm going to select animation simply because based on our previous experience, animation designs are always the best. Last thing you want to do before we generate the prompt is that you can simply come over here and change the aspect ratio from square to landscape to portrait. So if we presume that our brochure will be in the shape of a flyer, we're gonna go for the portrait mode. Then let's click generate and see what we're going to get. The way how the Magic Media works is it will generate 4 unique designs, which you can select, like, download and use, or if you don't like it, you could simply put these designs into additional section, meaning you can go back down and include your original prompt, and as you can see over here, we can add additional sentences and words to our prompt. So let's see what we generate over here and what we have. We have something that is from the far distance, we have something that is close up. I think this one looks very good because we have an Empire State Building, right? And then we have the store underneath. Again, the aspect ratio is not perfect. You always need to adjust things a little. But I would say that the quality is very, very good. I think this quality it's very nice and vibing, and you have these like vintagey colors. Definitely give you like at least a hook to go and visit the store and see, okay, what these people are selling, right? What kind of books they're having. Even for a person that is not into books, you might get them interested just to visit the store. This is why it is very important what kind of prompts, what kind of words you're using when you actually utilizing this particular app. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.